Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to auto-accept invites in Google Calendar with xFanatical foresight. In today's fast-paced work environment, manually handling calendar invites can lead to missed meetings, scheduling conflicts, and wasted time. This is especially challenging for professionals or admins who receive a high volume of invites daily. That's where xFanatical foresight comes in. This smart automation tool automatically accepts calendar invites from all senders, saving time, boosting productivity, and ensuring faster responses. By eliminating manual steps, it helps teams streamline scheduling, improve availability management, and enhance collaboration using Google Calendar. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Auto Accept Invites in Google Calendar template and click on it. In the Auto Accept Invites in Google Calendar page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Auto Accept Invites in Google Calendar will display. At the bottom of the dialog, click Next. Now, click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The steps outlined below demonstrate how xFanatical foresight automates the process of automatically accepting calendar invites. Note: for demonstration purposes, please send a Google Calendar event invitation to yourself from another account. The rule will be triggered upon receiving a new calendar event invitation in Google Calendar. Once the rule is triggered, you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.